Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto Service and Salvage down here in Spotsylvania, Virginia. Today we have UU276. This is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It has a 2.4 liter engine in it, automatic trans, and 71,882 miles. This one came to us because of a flood. Engine does not start, does have water in the engine. So we'll say that's no good, but got some beautiful body parts on it all the way around. No real damage to the doors. To the deck lid, the front bumper, all of it looks really good. It does have a little bit of dirt on it, but you know, dirt does not hurt a thing. So we'll go ahead and get on the inside of it, show you a couple of things that are working on it. There will be no tests as far as the engine or trans because the engine is no good. Transmission, we will inspect that once we get it out, make sure that there's no water damage to that, and sell it accordingly. All those work just fine. Move on over here to your door mirror. Alright, so all those work. There's your mileage, 71,882. We'll see if we can get
But it wasn't
this
just
on.
black people. I don't want people to think that that's all that there was. It's people of all.
So looks like all that works just fine. Media. And then heater AC control. So we got going on here. One thing that's not coming on is the rear defroster button. It makes you wonder if that's something that needs to be done while the car is on. You can definitely see that working that way. But everything else seems to work just fine with it. So we'll say that one's good. So yeah, all in all, everything looks really good on this vehicle, besides the engine not running. Again, this is my 2015 Hyundai Sonata UU276. You guys have any questions, call Lews Auto in Spotsylvania, Virginia. Again, this has 71,882 on the mileage. Thank you and God bless.